How to fix sharper image massage gun showing 100% but not working. Power and motor reset guide. Is your sharper image massage gun stuck showing 100% battery but not turning on no matter what you try? Don't worry, you're not alone, and the fix is easier than you think. Step 1. Hard reset. Hold power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Wait for screen to turn off. Release, then press power again. Step 2. Check charging cable. Unplug and inspect charging port. Try a different USB cable and adapter. Charge for 30 minutes, then reset again. Step 3. Motor reset. Turn off device completely. Let sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Tap body or head lightly to unstick motor. Power back on. Step 4. Remove and inspect head. Detach massage head. Clean inside shaft and attachment. Try powering on without the head. Still not working? May require internal repair or factory reset. Got it working again? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart tech fixes.